Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel BRP Traders. So what we have to see is that right now guys, we can see the index analysis. Right now it will act as one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, right now it will be act as major supporting area. What we have to see is that if it happened that it came downside, so it will act as one of the our supporting area. We can expect our first target, second target, you can expect third up till fourth target. Okay guys, if happened that it consolidate and broke somewhere here only, you have to see that it has to broke this and take support, and you can take your first target and second target. Okay guys, we can see for downside, if it's coming downside and taking somewhere here support, our first target will be very minimal, then our second target is bigger, second target, our third target will be up till here, you can take it. Okay guys, we can see next index is that NASDAQ. Okay guys, in NASDAQ what we are seeing right now is that, okay, right now we are watching that in NASDAQ it is a huge volatility right now. So what we have to see is that this will act as a one of the major supporting areas, but what we have to see is that it has to be came somewhere here, consolidation happened, after this will be broken. If okay guys, consolidation, if this will be broken, then you can expect that your first target will be up till here, second target will up till here, third target up till here, you can go for downside momentum. If this is broken and take support somewhere, our first target, our second, our third target. Okay guys, if some huge gap up or gap down happen, then we can see the price action. Also I have uploaded the price action video, you can check out in my channel. Okay guys, also we can see for SPX. Okay guys, in SPX what we have to see is that right now I will just seeing that this is the one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, what we have to do is that right now it will act as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, what we have to do, if it will consolidate or something and after this is the broken, then we can expect that our first target will be up till here, second target, our third target will be up till here. Okay guys, these are the three target. If we can see that it's coming downside and taken resistance, our first target up till here, second target, our third target up till here, you can easily reached. Okay guys, we can see for next some of the stocks is like Tesla. In Tesla I have already told you this is the trend line. If I will just stretch it out, you can see that acted as resistance also, after that only it has been broken and giving a very huge momentum. Okay guys, here also we have seen. So what we have to see is that right now it is very bullishness I am seeing in the Tesla guys. So here somewhere here only the thing is that if this is the broken and take somewhere support, then you can go for your first target, this will be the second target, up till here third target you can easily reach. Okay guys, if this is broken and if this area has been crossed, then you can expect your first target, second target, this will be the third target. I am telling you, in Tesla, please do not invest in Tesla right now, because it is the overpriced right now, because shares are split, so that's why its face value changes. That's why it is at a $299. That's why I'm telling you guys, please do not invest in Tesla right now. It is overvalued right now for me. If you are trading, it's a great, because its liquidity is very high in Tesla, so that's why I'm telling you. So do not bother about it guys. Please do not invest in Tesla right now. From myself I am telling you, because not for myself, because of you are a retail trader and I don't want to lose your hard-earned money. That's why I am telling you frankly. If you want, so it's totally your choice, but I am telling you frankly, please do not invest in Tesla right now. It's overvalued. Okay guys, we can see in Amazon also done the same thing. It also splits its shares. That's why it's at a 130 guys, $133. Sorry guys, I am talking about like that. Okay, this will act as one of the supporting area, and this will right now it will act as supporting area. So what we have to do, if it will came downside and take support, our first target, second, and our final target. Okay, if came and downside take resistance, our first target, this will be the second target, and this will be the third target. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex is, okay, Now, right now we can see for Microsoft. Right now Microsoft is very crucial time. Right now what we have to see, if consolidate or open gap up after taking support, our first target, second and third and final target. Okay guys, if it will broken this, okay guys, take a resistance, our first target, our second target, our third target. Okay guys, hope you are getting the all the logics guys, because I do not wanted to tell you the so much harder English or something, because I wanted to you to think and feel that English, because I wanted to talk very fluently, because somebody who do not know the English also, I'm talking in a basic English only, so that's why they can get the all the points and they can also trade in these. Okay guys, this will act as one of the our supporting areas. If it will came downside and take support, our first target, our second target, our third target up till here. If it will came downside, our first, second and third target. Okay guys, what I am seeing is that I'm thinking not what my charts is telling, little bit bullish I am seeing that, because of Tesla also. What I am seeing, this is the bullish market, because consolidation and this pattern is right now what I am seeing these many days, these many years what I have watched. This is the bullish sign what I am seeing. So you can expect that huge momentum will be coming right now. In index also same behaving I am seeing. So it happened that it may be used with the bigger momentum at the Monday. Okay guys, hope you are getting all the logics. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment down, and if you have any queries, please comment me down, so I will know that you have getting any problems or some sort of thing, so I will resolve it. I will comment you down or make you a special video on that. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much.